Today I'm sharing with you how I cook simple braised chicken wings with soy sauce. It is very easy and hands-off. The flesh is full of the bones, tender, and the sauce is tasty. First, make the tapioca flour slurry. Add 50 ml of water to 1.5 tablespoons of tapioca flour and mix together until well combined. Alright, set aside. Now we make the sauce. In a mixing bowl, add 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, half tablespoon of thick soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of black sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine or cooking rice wine, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Whisk to mix until well combined. And leave aside. Next, crush 50 grams of garlic and lightly chop them to get rough pieces. Put in the bowl and leave aside. Cut 70 grams of ginger into long strips. Put them in the bowl and leave aside. Cut 80 grams of spring onion into 3 parts. Cut the white stem and leaves to 1.5 inch in length. For this section, slice them into small pieces for garnishing. I have 1.2 kilograms of chicken wings, which makes it enough for lunch and dinner for a family of 4 adults. I am cutting the chicken wings into half to get bite-sized portion. This makes it easier to eat. Alright, all done. Add them all to the mixing bowl. I used some food-grade glove to marinate the chicken today, as I accidentally injured my finger a while ago. This is optional. Sprinkle half teaspoon of salt on the chicken. Rub and marinate until it's well combined. Next, pour the premixed sauce over the chicken. Rubbing and marinating until all the pieces of chicken wings are well coated with it. Alright, all done. If you have time, leave it in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours for all those flavors to go into the chicken. Otherwise, it can be cooked immediately too. For me, I will leave it to marinate for about an hour. After 1 hour, the chicken is marinated. Place the wok over the stove. Switch on the heat to medium. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil or the crushed garlic, ginger strips, and the white stem of the spring onions. Stir fry for about 3 minutes or until garlic and ginger are soft, fragrant, and translucent. After 3 minutes, add in the marinated chicken wings. Stir to mix well with ginger and garlic while coating it with the fragrant oil. Alright, this is okay. Cover the pan and reduce the heat to medium-low. Braise the chicken for 20 minutes. This releases the chicken juice during the cooking process. This makes the dish very flavorful. Stir occasionally to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 8 minutes, notice that the chicken is cooking slowly. And we have a little gravy in the pan. Stir to rotate for an even cooking. Cover the pan and continue braising it for 12 more minutes. After 20 minutes of slow cooking, now the chicken is fully cooked and has released a lot of its juice into the gravy. Although the chicken is cooked, the flesh is still tough, so I am adding another 250 ml of water to allow the chicken to boil further without losing too much water. Stir to combine the sauce. Cover the pan and raise the heat to medium and continue braising for another 20 minutes. 3 more minutes to go. Let's check on the chicken. Alright, it is soft now, as my fork can't go through easily. The chicken is ready. Let's give it a taste. Oh wow, really good. More seasoning can be added if preferred, but for this, it is already delicious. Add the flour slurry and 80 grams of cut spring onions. Stir quickly for about 10 to 15 seconds to thicken the gravy. Since the spring onions cooks really fast, I will allow the residual heat from the gravy to cook and soften it. Switch off the heat and dish it out on a serving plate. Sprinkle the cut spring onion and serve with rice. Now our braised chicken wings with soy sauce is ready. Let's eat! It's tasty and very flavorful. The chicken is tender and goes so well with rice. It is a perfect meal. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!